Hello, I'm Brian, the District RV Manager of the Sun Retreats properties on Cape Cod. Welcome to Sun Retreats Dennisport. Let me show you around. What really separates this resort from many of the other resorts in New England is that it is such a quintessential beach town. We have our own private beach, we have calm waters all season long, perfect for all ages to enjoy, to play in. We also have a few other amenities that our guests enjoy. We have a community fire ring where we have complimentary s'mores on the weekends and live entertainment. We also have a mini golf course, and we have an indoor pavilion where we offer everything from community potlucks to live full band entertainment. This resort is of course pet friendly. We have an excellent dog park located where you can bring your furry friend. We also, for the little ones, have a playground, which includes a basketball court. We have an excellent team here at Sun Retreats Dennisport, always eager to enhance the guest experience. Let me introduce you to our assistant manager and local expert, Chris. Take it away.
Thanks, Brian. Please come and see me in my office for whatever you need, and I would be glad to meet you. We want to make sure our guests have all the conveniences they do at home. So we have 2 comfort stations that have laundry facilities, restrooms, showers, even a handicap restroom. We also have a general store that provides our guests with beach supplies, RV supplies, toiletries, and snacks and candy for our kids. There's so much to do down here. We have a restaurant next door that serves breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And then, of course, going to our 2 islands over in Nantucket and Martha's Vineyard, which is a ferry ride away. There's golf, there's fishing, there's boating, and I absolutely love it here.
We have a variety of short-term stay opportunities at the resort. We have small cottages for couples or small families. We also have larger houses for group or family reunions. We even have RV pull-in sites. The most popular way to stay with us at the resort is as a seasonal guest. Our season begins in late April and runs through the end of October. And the most popular way to do that is in a park model home. You can order it through the resort. We have it made to your design, everything from 1 bedroom with large living area to a 2 bedroom with loft. Once you order the unit, we bring it in, set it up, and all you need to do is move in and enjoy. For anyone who already has a camper and is looking for a seasonal site, we have some great opportunities. You bring it in, you can set it up, and after that, you come and go as you please, everything waiting for you right back here. And winter storage is included in your stay. We can't wait to welcome you to Sun Retreats Dennisport, where you can explore your sunnier side. See you soon.